All right, everybody, welcome back from the holidays, my friends. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and an incredible New Year. I wish you all nothing but the best and want to thank you all for the love and support you've all showed me throughout the years across social media and Discord. I truly appreciate it. So since I'm back from the holidays, I thought it would be appropriate to do a Bitcoin analysis and get back to doing these videos twice a week. Speaking of the weekly chart, it seems that over the last 2 weeks since I've been gone, we haven't seen very much of any action. The volume is still incredibly low here at all-time lows for the most part. All the indicators are going sideways now as well. Typically for me, this is a no-go in terms of holding long-term positions, especially with leverage, with the exception of maybe dollar cost averaging into spot for just, a long-term hold to just stack at cheaper prices. So on the daily chart, I left for vacation on the 20th, and we've actually been trading completely inside the range of this candle here, which is about a $500 range on this one candle. This has been very slow and sideways and largely boring. For those that prefer higher time frames like myself, you can also see how dead the volume is here as well across this daily time frame, and all of the indicators are largely sideways here also. So if we take that stuff off the screen and look at Ichimoku Cloud, we can see that we rejected nicely off of our purple 50 EMA here, which is nice. And we're just slipping above the Tenkan-sen line. Obviously, this isn't due to any impulsiveness or volume. It's just simply because it moved sideways through it. Any long that I take with volume confirmation, of course, here would have a target about the 100 EMA just inside the cloud. And that currently stands at just over 18,000. Switching over to a 4-hour chart with our volume profile on, we swept our naked point of control to the top side here on, I guess this was the 3rd at 16.8. So that's really nice. And now we only have one naked point of control below us, which is around 16.5. In my opinion, I feel like we probably sweep this while we continue to chop around in this kind of accumulation and just stagnant range that we're in. All right, let's take a look at this liquidation heat map brought to you by highblockcapital.com. It seems that we do have some thick liquidity on either side of us. That is definitely for sure. Now, I don't want to say that this could go either way here, but honestly, that's kind of how this is looking. I would be more inclined to say that we move down first to around 16.2 to sweep all of the longs before moving up further. But we've been sideways for so long now that it's kind of anyone's guess at this point. So the individualized levels show this in just a bit more detail. We have really thick leveraged long positions down to about the 16.4K area, which is good. And then we do have another little cluster around 16.2. So as depicted, on the heat map that I just showed you. This is something I'm going to have to monitor very closely as the price action develops after the holidays we had, so that we can plan accordingly and hopefully get into a decent position that will run for a while, and we'll see some larger percent moves. That's all for today, guys. I wish you all a happy new year yet again, and we'll be posting these screenshots in the Elevate Trading Discord for your convenience. You can join that Discord with the link in this tweet. Show me your appreciation for the analysis by liking and retweeting, and make sure you keep an eye on my YouTube as well. I plan to start making a new tutorial series for you guys this month, as well as upload the live stream from last night, which I do in Discord every Thursday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Until then, happy trading.